Hi guys, it's me, Sir Marbs. Today I will teach you on how to update some PHP version. So, let's go. First, I will show you my PHP version. So let's start Apache and MySQL, and let's click the admin button. So here we will see our localhost dashboard. So under localhost dashboard, let's go to PHP info. As you can see here, we have version 7.3.27. So let's now update this version. So first, let's stop our SAMP control panel. And then after that, let's go to SAMP installation folder by clicking the Explorer button here. And then here we can see Apache, and let's rename Apache for backup. Let's lower version. I will copy. And also the PHP folder. Okay, so after renaming the Apache and PHP folder, let us now download the updated Apache and PHP. So let's go to our browser. You can go to SourceForge and search SAMP, and under this SAMP you can see the files here, file tab. Let's click this file tab, and under this file tab you can see SAMP for Windows, or if you are Mac user, you can click this Mac OS X. So let's click Windows. Under Windows, you can see here the different version of our SAMP with the PHP updated version. You can select this version 8.0.19, and then you can download the zip file. After downloading this, you can extract the file and get the Apache and the PHP folder and copy paste it on this SAMP installation folder. Okay, and I have already downloaded this, and I have uploaded this on my Google Drive. If you click this folder, I provided the link on the description below. You can download this file, and you can see here the PHP and Apache folder. So let's download this file. After downloading the SAMP and extracting, you can open the SAMP downloaded file here and get or copy the following. We need to get Apache and PHP. We can now copy and paste it on our SAMP folder here. You can paste it here. After copying the Apache and PHP, we will now go to PHP folder by clicking this folder. You can see here the PHP INE configuration settings. This one, configuration settings. Let's right click and open it with Notepad. Under this, we can now find by clicking the Ctrl F and type /SAMP, and let's put the path of our XAMPP installation folder. So in my case, my XAMPP installation folder is on drive C. So I will put C and colon. I will copy this and find the next. Okay. After that, let's save. Exit. And let's go back to our XAMPP control panel. Let's now start Apache and MySQL. And let's go to admin to check if the PHP version is updated. Let's go to PHP info. So as you can see, our PHP version is now updated to 8.0.19. That's all. Thank you for watching.